So Wasden. So what did you guys do again?
We took 4 crystals of the hottest candy ever. Carter, I want to shake your hand. I want to shake your hand.
This is what happens when you do 4 crystals of hottest candy.
This to us?
I am sending this to my friends. What do you say about this, Colin?
We're idiots.
By the way, that's my little brother.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how painful is this?
Not very. 20.
Wasden, describe the pain to us.
I've been bitten by animals. I've been punched in the face. This is worse.
Jacob, the pain of this, how does it feel?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
1.
Bull crap!
You heard it here, folks.
I'm yelling. I'm sorry for everybody.
I'm sending you the group chat.
Okay.
Jacob looks like he's doing okay, though.
Colin, how are you doing?
Not well.
You can feel it. I've lost taste buds at this point.
That's for sure. Notice Wasden is going around in a circle. This is to keep the pain away.
I am alive.
No, come here, Daddy Wasden.
Halfway made it.
We've been going for 10 minutes now.
This is insane, guys. Why?
He's freaking done the challenge over.
Or no, the whole sucker's the challenge. That's even worse.
It's the Carolina Reaper, right? That's the hardest.
It has it in it. And goes 9 times.
It's almost 9 times
Wait,
harder.
got a question.
Except-
Isn't it 400 times in
No, this is harder than the Carolina Reapers.
Hotter than the hottest pepper in the world.
Yes.
Yes.
They use that to make this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I didn't think that'd be that hot. Or that.
This isn't bad.
I thought it would be
Yeah, I thought it'd be way.
I lasted 5 minutes, so you gotta give me credit.
No, you didn't.
I lasted 5 minutes, at least.
This is 400 times hotter than a normal pepper.
No, 900.
900, sorry.
Well, see, I'm a beast. My dad would have tapped
You get
out.
that
The
group
whole
chat?
sucker is worse.
Yeah, that one. I haven't used since like last year.
Okay.
Dude, this is so fun to watch. Dude.
Bro,
Why does this exist?
Why, Wasden, are you gonna tap out?
No. I'm trying to save you.
Where's the closest trash can? This is all my blood, sweat, and tears.
One more crystal?
One inside of
Okay, let's go.
Another crystal! You guys are dummies! How much did this cost, by the way, online?
So it's $12 on that 19. That's the.
The fire's almost gone.
So it's $12 on the original site, but it's $9 at Walmart.
Oh, wow.
Dude, is it still going for you, or is it like died down?
It's at the lips. It feels like somebody grabbed a hot poker and you're making out with it.
You're both my bros, but you're both idiots.
Yeah, that is for sure. We already determined that like 5 days ago. Notice I said 5 days ago, not 5 minutes ago.
Dink and wink.
Oh my gosh, guys are dummies. Oh my gosh. May they rest in peace. Do we have a grave? They will be filling this tomorrow.
On life, but keep going.
You guys are gonna feel this tomorrow. You know that, right?
We're gonna feel this when we're pumping weights at football.
Dude, my gosh.
Why didn't we do that?
And I'll be like, because you guys aren't the brightest minds in the world.
You're the one who kept the challenge going.
I refuse to give up. I will die like this.
Oh my gosh. So she's also videoing this. So how entertaining has this been?
Pretty entertaining.
Like, would you rather watch this than some movies?
Sweet, dude.
Maybe watch
I'm
a
trying
movie
to taste
instead of
sweetness,
this, but
dude.
it's pretty entertaining.
Like, what's it more entertaining? Like, what do you think is more entertaining?
More entertaining than most movies. But.
Most movies, this is more entertaining. You heard it here, folks. I agree with that. Except for the mental one. That show's a go.
I have an official thing to say. She's dating my dog.
Do you have any sponsors? This, by the way, guys, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Join the battle.
Join the battle. You guys, do some Orange Justice moves and stuff. Dude, you know what we should do? We should do a spice challenge where they're doing they put those in the mouth, but they have to do challenges, and whoever wins gets the milk, and the rest are left with.
Okay, the next one.
Let's go! I won.
You guys are dead.
Oh, sorry.
Why does this exist?
They're done.
Wow. I bet they could have gone longer, but guys, go somewhere else if you're gonna get like over there in the corner.
Bro, I love you. Don't. Love you. That's how you win, boy.
By the way, guys, this went, man. Teenagers are stupid, guys. Don't ever do this at home, kids.
What's your time?
Well, I have it 5 minutes right now.
Okay, then at 10 minutes. We're at 15 minutes. This is good.
Hey, that's good. Not a boy, dude.
We're gonna look at the afterthoughts of this, though. Once once the masks are done.
This goes away after 2 hours.
It does?
Yeah.
No.
Stays with you.
Mine's already gone.
Mine's gone too.
Mine's gone too.
The full sucker, it stays with you for 48 or something.
Well, you guys
24.
didn't do the full sucker.
I don't feel it.
They did a lot of it though.
They did do a good amount.
Jacob, love you, bro.
I love you too. Are we even?
We're even. You're good.
Guys, I can't look. It's a camera on a camera, dude. Look at that. It's a camera on a camera. That's kind of fun. Hey, what are you doing? Stop doing this.
Done. Start with that.
Guys, coaches are gonna be like, dude, why are you guys so slow and so out of shape and using the bathroom a lot? And I'm gonna be like, you don't want to know.
Drink gasoline.
His fire. All day like.
I can't talk.
All day like. Woof. Defense like. Woof. Oh, you see, you guys can't do it. You guys, oh my gosh. Like.
What it feels like to be a dragon?
Maybe the dragon actually. You guys are pretty hot, like literally,
Thanks,
and
thank you.
like literally, like yeah.
This is like a world record.
So, just remember, these are our friends.
Yeah.
So we're kind of to blame for this. No, actually, it's all their fault. It's all their fault.
And whoever's watching,
Remember,
autograph
play.
letter.
Oh,
Remember,
you know what I should have done? Live stream this on Instagram.
Yeah!
that would.
Round 2! I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
we're gonna cut and get right back to you.
Wait, can you?
No, man, we're keeping this going, man. No, not even.
Well, can't you upload the video right now? Like after it's done?
cut.
Yeah.
Do it.
Nah, man.
Now.
Yo, you should send it to my mom.
I'm gonna show this to my parents, and they're gonna be like, "You guys are dummies." Guys, go somewhere else. I'm gonna choke, but I'm gonna follow you with this camera.
So painful.
To watch?
No.
Who's time?
Hey God, are you real? Cause I'll be seeing you soon.
I bless you. I bless you. And stuff.
On my tombstone, it has to say, "I told you I was sick."
On my tombstone? Tombstone?
Tombstone?
On my tomb.
You guys can't even
Tombstone.
speak.
On my
I'm
tombstone.
gonna like post this on Facebook and stuff.
On my tombstone. Say something memorable, like.
Don't be stupid.
We
When
live.
like Buenos tardes, that means good morning, retard.
We need a cut.
Nope. We're going to listen to my camera.
Go for a
runs out.
second, then we'll come back to you.
Why?
Are you sending this to?
Are you gonna cry?
No.
Why don't you want
Send
this
it to
filming?
me.
Because I don't want you to use all up your memory.
Oh, this is
I
worth.
deleted Instagram and Messenger and a few things to take this video.
Hey, by the way, this is with everyone.
Hi.
So,
Hi,
guys,
Sierra. Hi.
I'm sending this to my
Send
group.
this to the football guys, dude.
Oh yeah,
Football
dude.
guys, dude.
JP, Norlander, I'll send
Hi,
it all of them
JP.
and tell them to
Hi,
share this.
All the football
Hi,
guys.
everybody.
I'll send it to everyone I know.
We just ate the hottest candy known to the world. And this is 30 minutes after.
Not known. There are.
No, this is the top. They respiced it.
Wow, guys, I'm impressed with you guys, and honestly, if there was a world record for holding the spiciest candy in your mouth, I
It is
don't.
15 minutes.
It's
Two
15
suckers
minutes.
on. Two suckers on the tongue. Full suckers. That
Hey,
is.
if we do this every day,
It gets worse.
How does it get worse every day?
dude, my nose is running.
I
Just turn
can't
out your
feel my
taste buds.
face.
I can't feel my face when I'm with you.
That's right.
But I love it. But
Shout out to Vinny, who watched us go through all the pain.
Nice job, Vinny.
You know what this means, right?
Hey guys, by the way, there's a fire over there.
I feel like
Why?
we're at the store.
Yeah, we're good.
Wow, these guys are like congratulating each other for the 5th time.
Push up, sit up.
Milk. I have so much milk at my house. BRB, guys.
No, we're coming. Ah. You ain't escaping the. It's the media press.
We need milk.
To a safe haven.
There's that.
That's not enough milk.
We need to go to my house. There's people there.